Hi, so we're going to talk about the greater than and less than operators. So let's start with the greater than operator. So basically, the greater than operator compares two values, the one value at the left to the other value at the right. So for example, if we have 10, for example, is greater than 100. So we know that this is not true. So this will definitely give us a false value if put in the if statement. So let's just try that out. So if 10 is greater than that, then it will say true. So console.log true. If not, it will console.log false. So let's put that in a function because we're going to return that. So just say function myfunc, for example, that way. So when I save that, nothing, because I have to call that. So call myfunc and save, and now it says false because 10 is not greater than 100. So that's what the greater than symbol means. So if we want to use the less than, we'll just put it the other way and we'll say 10 is 10 less than 100, and if we save, it says 10 is less than 100, so that's true. So we can also use the greater than or equals to. So greater than or equals to. So we can say is 10 greater than or equals to 100. We say it's false. What if we make this 10 to 100 and save? It says it's true because 100 is actually equals to 100. So it's saying, is it greater than or equals to? Greater than or equals to. That's why it's doing that. What if we make this 101 and save? So it says true because 101 is greater than 100. So let's see less than. So less than or equals to is 101 less than or equals to 100. It says false. What about 100? So 100 is less than or equals to 100. That's true. So what about 99? Is 99 less than or equals to 100? It says true because 99 is actually less than 100. So let's use this to solve a problem. So let's try this. Maybe we want to find out the number of cows we have in the farm, for example. So let me comment that out. So I'm going to create a function and I'm going to say number of cows we have in the farm, and now this is going to be a value. It's going to take in a value, and I'm going to say if the value is greater or equals to 100, because I want to see 100 and above, then we'll say return the statement that cows are 100 or more, just like that. Then we'll say if, run another if, value, and this time we want to see between 10 to 100. So we'll say is greater or equals to 10. Because this is already checking for 100 and above, so it would look for 10 to let's say 99. So this range should actually be 99. So we're going to return. So if the value is now less than 10, this now makes sense. Or let's make this, you know what, I'm going to make this 100. So 10 to 100, this will be above 100. Now this is better. So I'm going to remove that equals to. So if its value is above 100, then cows are above 100. Above 100. Then if the range is between 10 to 100, then it says cows are between 10 and 100. And if value is now less than 10, we're going to return cows are less than 10. So that's our function, and I'm going to call the function. So let me just console.log that, and I'm going to call that number of cows, and you put the parameter value as val. So let's imagine that we have 8 cows that was brought in the first place, and we just had 8 cows. And so if we save that, now it says cows are less than 10. So what if we had 10 cows added to that? So we eventually had 18 cows. So if we save that, we'll say cows are between 10 and 100. And what if we had 82 cows that were now added to this? So we eventually had 100 cows. So if we save that, it says cows are still between 110 and 100. So this is wrong. So let me put this in a better way so that it wouldn't confuse. So we say 10 or over, something like that, and cows are less than 10. So it says cows are 10 or over. So we put 100. What if we put 101? So cows are above 100. See? So we put back to 9. Cows are less than 10. So that's basically how to use the greater than or less than or greater than equals to or less than or equals to operators. So if you want to see more ways to use that, you could just check the notes and you'll see how to do that.